Of course we are Jamaican. We don't like bowcat. Of course me a Jamaican. We don't fuck bottom. Of course me a Jamaican. I don't smoke a spliff with other people. Of course me a Jamaican. I don't live with my dog in my house. Of course me a Jamaican. I don't give a fuck anything or anything. You see it? And of course me a Jamaican. Number one of all. We not take talk from boy. Jamaican to the fullest. You see that? Because you see all of the representation that I see I go on. Me a Jamaican, me a Jamaican. No, not talk the real, man. This are the real. Alright? Of course me a Jamaican. You see it? Me a hustler from birth until death. Nothing no change. You see it? Straight Jamaican.